We're having mechanical failure on the ink pens up here. Technical difficulties with the ink pens. Sam's just having a terrible time. Have we got any? Well, no, I guess not. That is not. Yes, it is, Tony.